Okay, let's talk about layers. Now, I've got just simply 3 layers just to talk to you about, just so you can understand the concept of how it works, okay? So on this right-hand side, we have background, which is sitting at the bottom of our layers tab. We've got our stock model and we've got our test. And we're looking down from a bird's eye perspective onto our canvas, okay? So what we can do is we can click and hold on test, and we can click and drag and move it down and kind of rearrange those layers. If I was to let go now, you will see that test disappears. And the reason is because that stock model photo is so big, it's sitting over the top of it, all right? So if I was then to click on stock model, go to my move tool, and just move it out the way, it's sitting there, okay? So when you're compiling and thinking about your composition for your project, do consider how layers might work. You may not be able to see a layer. You may be thinking, oh, where's test? I can't find it. It could just be because it's sitting behind or underneath another layer. So do consider that and how you move your layers around. All right. You may always find that your background layer is always locked. If you would like to move it around, it's completely up to you. You just click on the lock button, and then it is also free to move around as well. A good thing just to show you, any of these cross-hatching just means that there's nothing there. It's called transparency, or an alpha channel for those who know their terminology, but it's essentially nothingness. So if you were to export as that, there would be nothing there. All right, so just press Control Z to undo, and we can resort to that. But we can move all things around. So just again to show you, drag layer 0 to the top, which is our background, and everything goes white because our stock model and our test are behind it. That is as simple as a layer system is, and it's down to you to arrange what assets you have to create the best composition possible.